I'm a lawyer.
Really?
Yes.
I hadn't heard.
Yes. Maybe my second year of college, I started doing mock trial. They had like a mock trial team, and I just wanted to see what it was like. And so you basically dressed up and pretended you were a lawyer, and they gave you a fake case to put together. And that was pretty much it for me. I was like, I love this. This is what I want to do.
Like, she's a big deal, okay? In Hartford, like, fall cases are the hardest kinds of cases to win and try. Like, there's a number of reasons why we lose, okay? How many straight defense verdicts were there?
There were 32.
32 straight defense verdicts. Like, Magic Johnson's number, right? 32.
So I've been practicing for about 6.5 years. I worked at another personal injury firm before this, and I just started with Connecticut trial firm at the beginning of January.
Alexa comes in, gets a plaintiff's verdict in Hartford on the fall. Big deal.
Broke the curse.
Big deal.
I really like helping people, so I would say that's my number one thing. But the trial work, that's the fun stuff. I don't want to say I'm litigious, but I guess like getting in there and fighting and really advocating for the client, and then just the concept of having a jury, having like the community come together and resolve a dispute between two people that they couldn't figure out on their own. I like that part of the process. But I think it was my calling because I love it, so.